Yes, everyone who has done it? Let's start. Quickly. See, S1, S2, S3, S4 is given to us. You need to find out S5. So you'll get the idea when you write down the expression for S5. Once you write down the expression for S5, you'll be able to understand what are the things you have and what you need to find out. Write down the expression for S5, it's important. Okay, so everyone see. Let's start. So your task is to first of all write down the expression for S5. Okay. Over here, what is the value of n? 4. N is equal to 4. Okay. Done. So, that's correct. Okay, n is equal to 4. You need to find out S5. S5 means R is equal to 5 over here. So we need to use the first identity or the second identity? Second identity, because R is greater than n. Okay. So what you do is you write down the first term and the last term. Okay. In the beginning you write down the first term and the last term. Okay. First term will be S5 plus something, and last term should end with P and SR minus n. SR minus n means S1. So it should be P4. Right. Can you people understand that the last term should be P4 S1? Yes or no? I have written the first term in the beginning and the last term in the beginning. Yes, Adrish, tell me.
So is the answer 41?
41, no. Is it clear to everyone what I did? I wrote the first term and the last term in the beginning. And now you write down the terms in the middle. So terms in the middle will be P1 S4 plus P2 S3 plus P3 S2 plus P4 S1 equal to 0. Right. Now I have the value of S1, I have the value of S2, I have the value of S3, I also have the value of S4. My task is to find out P1, P2, P3 and P4. For R equal to 1, we'll get the value of P1. Right. 27. Close, but not 27. For R equal to 1, what are we going to get? S1 plus 1 P1 equal to 0. Right, tell me everyone. What is S1? S1 is 1. 1 plus P1 equal to 0. This implies P1 is equal to minus 1. Okay, I've got P1 is equal to minus 1. Next, S2 for R equal to 2. S2 plus P1 S1 plus for R equal to 1. For R equal to 1, we'll use the first equation or the second equation? First one. So it should start with S1. Right? After that, it should come as P1 S0, right? P1 S0, it should come P1 S0. But S0, S minus 1, S minus 2, all these things are not defined. Right? So ultimately the last term will come. Right? So plus 1 P1. Are you getting Snehadri? Okay. Last night also I repeated, right? This part. So plus 2p2. No. Plus 2p2 equal to 0. So my task is to find out the value of p2. Now what is s2, everyone? s2 is given as 3. 3 plus minus 1 into 1 plus 2p2 equal to 0. So over here, what is the value of p2, everyone? p2 is equal to minus 1. Tell me. Are people getting? Samridhi, are you getting this? For r equal to 3, we'll get s3 plus p1 s2 plus p2 s1 plus 3p3. Again, why I wrote 3p3? Because over here r is less than n. Yes, r is less than n. 3 is less than 4. This will be equal to 0. So what is s3? s3 is 7. 7 plus p1 is minus 1. s2 is equal to 3 plus p2 is minus 1. s1 is equal to 1 plus 3p3 equal to 0. So from here also we'll get the value of p3. What is the value of p3 over here? Minus 1. So I've got p1 minus 1, p2 minus 1, p3 minus 1. Again, let us find out p4 also. Okay, I've got p1, I've got p4 will also be minus 1 only. Okay. So again, for r equal to 4, what are we getting? S4 plus p1 s3 plus p2 s2. 20? No. p3 s1 plus 4 p4. How much? No. 4 p4 equal to 0. S4 is given as how much? What is the value of S4? 11? 15? 15 plus minus 1 into S3 is equal to, S3 is given as 7. 7. Plus minus 1 into 3 plus minus 1 into 1 plus 4 p4 equal to 0. So from here you will get the value of p4. p4 is equal to minus 1. I've got p1, I've got p2, I've got p3, I've got p4. Therefore s5 plus p1 s4. p1 is minus 1 into s4 is 15 plus minus 1 into 7 plus minus 1 into 3 plus minus 1 into 1 is equal to 0.
Sir,
Yes, tell me, Adrish.
so for 5p5, what will happen?
It will not be 5p5. Try to understand. Over here, for s5, r equal to 5
Yes, sir.
and n is equal to 4. So which identity we should use? The first one or the second one? Adrish.
Oh, okay, sir. I will use the second one. Then.
We'll use the second one, na? So it will end with p1s4.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So, sir, the answer will be
p4s1. p4s1. 26 is the correct answer. So Adrish, you understood? Tell me.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It won't be 5p5. Anish, are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
So S5 is equal to 26. Tell me. If there's anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Clear? Shandev, have you understood? Vidyaman? Akash is clear? Swam? Snadri, have you understood? Okay. So this is all about Newton's theorem. Okay. To practice more from Newton's theorem, you will get some questions in Prashant Jain. Okay. You will get books. Which book? Aryan to Singh. Aryan, right. Okay. Next, intervals of real numbers. But those are basic books. You start with those books. Okay. But I'll give some more assignments also. Practice from them. Okay. Intervals of real numbers. Wavy Curve Method. Okay, intervals of real numbers, or you can say Wavy Curve Method. So first of all, there are 4 intervals of real numbers. Okay, there are 4 subsets of real numbers. Number 1. No? It's part of actually quadratic equations, polynomials. Factorial part comes everywhere. Not only. Yes. It is actually introduced in Newton's theory. See, I do number theory basically to bypass some huge problems of binomial. Okay, I'll show you how we can solve binomial problems in 30-40 seconds. Okay, with binomial theorem it will take more time. Huh? I'll show you. Give some time in this chapter only. We'll discuss. Okay. Open interval, everyone. Okay. So open interval means if x is greater than a is less than b, then we write x belongs to open a comma b. Okay. For example, if I talk about open 1 comma 3, real numbers open 1 comma 3, what does it means? It will include all the real numbers between 1 and 3, but not taking 1 and 3. Okay. 1, 3, it will include 1 and 3, exclude 1 and 3, but it will include all the numbers between 1 and 3, each and everything will be included. Okay, each and everything will be included, remember.
X is greater than A but
Greater than A but less than B. Okay, so you people tell me, does 22 by 15 belong to 1 comma 3? Raise your hand. Tell me, what do you think? Does it belongs to 1 comma 3? Yes, Nadri, tell me. Yes, it belongs to 1 comma 3. Right, 22 by 15 is 1 point something. Okay, does pi by 2 belong to 1 comma 3? Raise your hand. Tell me. Pi by 2. Yes, Instrument, tell me. It does. Pi by 2 is 1.57. You can understand. Does cube root of 7 belongs to 1 comma 3? What do you think? Cube root of 7. Okay, somebody is raising the hand from online. Yes. Adrish, tell me.
Yes, sir, I think it belongs.
It will. You see, cube root of 8 is around 2. So it will be around, just little bit less than 2. Okay, next. Does root over 10 belongs to 1 comma 3? Raise your hand. Don't speak up in between, raise your hand. Think. Yes, Akash?
Sir, because
Root over 9 is 3, root 10 will be greater than 3. Root 10 does not belong. So does 1 belong to 1 comma 3? No, it does not belong. Does tan 30 degree belongs to 1 comma 3? Raise your hand. Does tan 30 degree belongs to 1 comma root 3? Yes, Adrish, tell me.
Yes, sir.
What's the value of
Tan 30 is 1 by root 3.
1 by 1.7.
1 by 1.7. So
No, sir,
does it belong?
No, it does not.
It does not belong. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Okay. Like this you understand. Next.
So what if it's like 1.0000000?
It will belong. Okay. Basically, 1 comma 3 means 1 plus to 3 minus. Okay. If it is slightly greater than 1, okay, then it will belong. Okay, exactly 1 will not belong. Open closed interval. Open closed interval. One of the endpoint will be included. Okay. If x is greater than a but less than or equal to b. Okay. If x is greater than a but less than or equal to b, then we write. How do we write as? We write as open a comma closed b, where a is included. Over here, sorry, b is included. Will be included. Exactly. Means whenever you are including any number, you just close the brackets. Okay. Means third bracket. Okay. So how will the number line look like? Yes. We'll shade 3. For example, open 1, 3 closed. Will shade 3. Done. Okay. So you must have understood the definition of closed open also. Closed open interval. Okay, closed open interval. See, I'll just copy and paste the definition.
Just the opposite.
Okay. So over here, what will happen? A will be included, but we will be excluded. Okay. So over here, how will we write?
Unshade 3 and shade 1.
Yes. 1 will be included, 3 will be excluded. Okay. Lastly, we have closed.
Sir, B will be excluded.
Here A will be included. Okay. Closed interval. Both will be included. Okay, both will be included.
So then we will actually have to put a
Yes, like this. Here both A and B will be included. A and B will be included. Will be included. Okay? Is it clear to everyone? Tell me. Anyone having any doubt? Everyone understood properly? Okay. Yes, Adrish, you want to say something?
No, sir. It was based for giving the answer.
Okay.
What do you have to shade 3?
Huh?
What do you have to shade 3?
Shade 3. Okay. Next. Okay, there are some infinite intervals. Infinite intervals. Okay. Number 1. If x is greater than a. If x is greater than a, this implies x belongs to a comma infinity. Okay, from a to whole infinity. Okay. Next, number 2. If x is less than a, x is less than a, this means x belongs to minus infinity comma a. Number 3. Achha, so does a belongs to a comma infinity? What do you think? Does a belongs to a comma infinity?
No, sir.
Next, number 3. If x is greater than or equal to a, this implies x belongs to closed a comma infinity, right? And number 4. If x is less than or equal to a, this implies x belongs to minus infinity comma a closed. Okay. Next, plotting rational expressions. Plotting rational expressions, or you can say wavy curve. This is very helpful in solving inequalities. Okay. higher power inequalities, Wavy curve. So also remember, these are not the exact diagram of the graph, exact graph of the expressions. Okay, this will just give us the rough idea whether the expression is positive or negative in a particular expression, in a particular interval. Okay. Number step 1. What you have to do is you take a value which is just less than the lowest critical point. Take a value which is just less than the lowest critical point. Okay. I'll tell you what are critical points. Okay. To determine whether the graph, is coming from positive y-axis or negative y-axis. Okay, the graph is coming from positive y-axis or the negative y-axis. You have to determine whether it is coming from up or below. Okay. Next, number 2. If a factor is of odd multiplicity, then it is a simple point. If a factor is of odd multiplicity, then it is known as a simple point. Okay. And if it is of even multiplicity,
So we can say the graph will bounce.
yes, that I'll show you why will it bounce. Okay, then it is a double point. Okay, for example, x minus 2 whole cube. Over here, what's the critical point? Critical point is 2. Achha, critical points are those points, okay, for which the expression will be equal to 0. Like x minus 2 will be equal to 0 at x equal to 2. So x equal to 2 is the critical point. Okay. Now, how many times x minus 2 is multiplied? 3 times. Odd number of times. Okay. So that means it is of odd multiplicity. So it is known as a simple point. Okay. So over here 2 will be a simple point. Okay. Write it down. Over here, x minus 2 will be equal to 0. This implies x equal to 2 is the critical point. Okay, x equal to 2 is the critical point, and since power is 3, we can say 2 is a point of odd multiplicity. Okay, hence it's a simple point. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, when do you call a point a simple point or a double point? And if the power is of even multiplicity, then double. Okay, very simple.
So what is the significance of this?
You will understand in the next point. Okay. Number 2. Okay, this is the first example. But for this one, somebody tell me what is the critical point and whether it is a simple point or a double point. Okay, raise your hand. 2x minus 1 whole to the power 8. Tell me, raise your hand. Yes, tell me. So, it's a double. Which one is a double point? X equal to what? X equal to half is a double point. Okay, over here half is a double point. 2x minus 1 is a factor. Double point. Okay, next. Step 3. the curve will pass through all the simple points. The curve will pass through all the simple points, but it will bounce back. It will bounce back when it touches a double point. It will bounce back when it touches a double point. Okay. For example, okay, it's fine, right? Okay, for example, number 1, x minus 2 whole cube. Okay, so over here 2 is a simple point. Okay, I'll show you that the graph will pass through x minus 2 whole cube. Okay, x equal to 2. So over here 2 is a simple point. Okay, so now take a value which is less than 2. Any value which is less than 2. 1. Substitute 1 over here. 1 minus 2 whole cube will be equal to positive or negative? Negative. Okay, so it will come from below. Okay, below the x-axis. It will reach 2. Okay, now take a value which is greater than 2. Just greater than 2. 3 minus 2 whole cube is positive or negative? Positive. So it will cross through x-axis. It will go above from negative to positive. It is changing the sign. Okay, are you people able to understand why the graph passes through a simple point? Next, part 2. Yes, Anish, tell me.
So we will start from the left side or the right side, the graph.
You can start from any side, your choice.
Okay, sir.
If you are starting from the right side, that means you have to take the value which is greater than the critical point. And if you are starting from the
Okay.
left side, you have to take a value which is just less than the less than the critical point. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can start by taking 3 also. 3 minus 2 whole cube is positive, so it's come from the positive side. Reach 2. Okay, then you take a value which is less than 2.
So why can't we start from the other side of the lower side?
You can start anywhere.
So like I was saying that we just go to the mirror image of that.
Mirror image? Why will it be mirror image?
So why can't we start from the right hand side of the lower side? So like
Right hand over here.
Yeah.
Why will it be in the lower side? If you take a value which is greater than 2, what is the take 3? 3 minus 2 whole cube is positive or negative? Positive. So it will be above x-axis or below x-axis? Are you getting? Why will it be below? Okay, next. Let us talk about 2x minus 1 whole to the power 8. Over here the critical point is half. Okay. Take a value which is less than half. 1 by 3. 0. 0. Right. 0 minus 1 whole to the power 8. Positive or negative? Tell me. Positive. So it will come from the positive side. It will reach half. Okay. Now take a value which is greater than half. 1. 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 1. 1 to the power 8 will give us positive or negative? Positive. So see, it bounces back. Okay. Are you people able to understand why the graph bounces back from all the double points, and why it passes through all the simple points? Is it clear, so? This is the significance. That is why I categorize simple and double points. Okay, you can take another example. Minus of x minus 3 whole to the power 12. Over here the simple point, over here 3 is the critical point. Is it double or simple? Double, right? Power is 12. It's multiplied even number of times. Okay, now take a value which is less than 3. 2 minus 3 whole to the power 12 will give us 2 minus 3 whole to the power 12 is minus 1 whole to the power 12, and it is a negative of minus 1 whole to the power 12. Is it positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative, right? So it will come from the negative side. To reach 3. Okay. Again, take a value which is greater than 3. 4 minus 3 whole to the power 12 is 1. Minus 1. It's negative. So see, it bounces back. Whether you take from the negative side or the positive side, it will bounce back through all the double points, but it will pass through all the simple points. Is it clear, Riddhiman?
Yes.
Shandeep, is it clear? Okay, next. Okay, so I'll give you an example how we can plot the wavy curve. Okay. For example, f of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 12 into x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, this is f of x. Okay, I want to plot this wavy curve. Plot this on the curve. Okay, to understand where it is positive or negative. First of all, your task is to factorize it and convert all of them into linear factors. Okay, so this will become x minus plus 2, not 12. Okay, this will be x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. This will give us x minus 1 into x minus 2 whole square into x minus 3. Tell me, over here the critical points, I am writing it as CP, okay? Critical points are 1, 2 and 3. What are the simple points? Tell me. 1 and 3. What double point is 2. Let us plot. 1, 2, 3. Okay, everyone pay attention. You take a value which is just less than 1. 0. Substitute 0 over here. 0 minus 1, positive or negative? 0 minus 1, positive or negative? Negative. This will be negative. This will be positive. This will be
Negative.
0 minus 3 is negative. So the whole expression is positive or negative? Tell me. Positive.
Positive.
Are you people able to understand? Again see. You substitute 0 over here. 0 minus 1, negative. 0 minus 2 whole square, positive. 0 minus 3, negative. Negative, positive, negative. This will be positive only. Okay. So graph will come from positive side. It will reach 1. Okay. 1 is simple or double? Simple. So it will cross through. 2 is simple or double? 3 is simple or double? Okay, this is how the graph will look like. Is it clear to everyone? Anyone having any doubt? No, ask me. Samriddhi, is it clear? Snehadri? Soham, have you understood?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
drawing the graph, can we just simply skip to?
Can we?
Simply just skip to and just connect one and three.
No, we cannot skip 2. Okay, it shows that 2 is a critical point. At x equal to 2, it will be equal to 0. Okay. Like for example, if they ask you find the values of x for which f of x is greater than or equal to 0, that means you have to include 2. If you skip 2, then you won't be including that in the interval. That will create a confusion.
But like if it is equal to 1 and 1 comma it includes 2.
So you exclude 2 after that. Okay, for less than 0. Okay, wait, I'll show you. Okay, now see how the questions will be framed. Okay, find x. Okay, I'll just give an example. This one I'll solve. Okay, next one you people will try. Okay, find x for which number 1 f of x is greater than 0, number 2 f of x is less than 0, number 3 f of x is greater than or equal to 0, and number 4 f of x is less than or equal to 0. Okay, everyone, I want to find out the values of x for which these things happen. Okay, f of x. So first of all, for f of x greater than 0. Okay, pay attention very carefully. This is the curve. Which portion of the graph is above the x-axis? Means f of x is positive.
Before 1 and after 3.
Before 1 and after 3. Can you see? Tell me. Are you people able to visualize it? Okay. So on the left hand side of 1, what do we have? It's an infinite interval coming from minus infinity, right? And after 3 also it is an infinite interval starting from 3. So x belongs to, for part 1. Exactly. Part 1, x should belongs to minus infinity comma 1 union 3 comma infinity. Tell me, are you people getting this?
Why isn't 1 close?
Because it's strictly greater than 0. If it was equal to 0, then we can include 1. Right? Because for x equal to 1, f of x will be equal to 0. It will not be greater than 0. Are you getting so? No. Take your time.
So one part I
Means why didn't we include 1? Because for x equal to 1, what do we have? Substitute x equal to 1. F of x will be equal to 0. Isn't it?
and the question is same. Same function.
Same question. Understood? Why do we include? Why do we not include 1? Tell me. Same question, okay? Tell me if you have a doubt. Ask. Understood properly? Everyone understood? Som, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Over here, everyone understood? Ridhiman, Adrish and Anish, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rishabh, you please. Okay. Part 2. F of x less than 0. Pay attention. F of x is less than 0 in this region. In the green region. Can you understand? That means x belongs to 1, 2. There is a gap and then 2, 3. Okay. X belongs to 1, 2, union 2, 3. But try to understand, we can merge these two intervals because there is only one elemental gap over here. So can we write this as x belongs to 1, 3 minus elemental 2? Tell me, are you people getting? I have included everything from 1, 3 except elemental 2. I have excluded elemental 2 over here. Tell me. This is another way of writing it. Okay. Another way of writing the expression.
Sir, have you written minus?
Yes, actually there are two ways of writing minus in set theory. Okay, one is this. Other one is 1, 3 minus elemental 2. Both are correct. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Tell me. Anyone having any doubt? No. Next, part 3. Part 3, see, it is given f of x greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. Now, in this case, we are going to include the critical points also. Okay. So, we are going to get x belongs to minus infinity, 1 closed. Why I have closed it? Because in this case, f of x is equal to 0 also. Union, close 3 to infinity. Tell me, are you people getting? Next, part 4. Again, f of x less than or equal to 0, we have to include everything. So x belongs to 1, 2 union 2, 3 close. Everything will be included. Okay, this we can also write it as close 1, 3. Tell me, over here 2 is included anyways. Tell me. If there is anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Akash, is it clear? Yes. Because over here, I have included 2 in this case also, in this case also. Third one? Yes, you are correct. We have to include elemental 2 also. Nice observation. Okay. Why we have to include elemental 2? Because you see, it was given f of x greater than or equal to 0. Equal to 0. So that is it. For x equal to 2, f of x is equal to 0 also. So 2 should be included. Is it clear to everyone? Tell me. Next.
Yes,
I'll give you another example. Solving inequalities of the form f of x is equal to ax by bx. Okay, means rational expressions. Okay, everyone. So suppose f of x is equal to x minus a1 whole to the power m1 into x minus a2 whole to the power m2 into x minus a3 whole to the power m3 dot x minus ak whole to the power nk. The whole thing is divided by x minus b1 whole to the power n1 into x minus b2 whole to the power n2 dot up to x minus bp whole to the power np. Okay, so see, numerator is also a polynomial factorized form. Okay, and denominator is also a polynomial. Okay, how to solve? Over here, write it down. a1 a2 a3 dot ak comma b1 B2, B3 dot 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 BP are known as critical points. Okay, are critical points. Okay, also B1, B2 up to BP are discontinuous points. Okay, everyone. Why they are discontinuous points, everyone? Why they are known as discontinuous points? Exactly. When you substitute B1, B2 or up to or any of the BIs, okay, you will see that the denominator is equal to 0. Right? And if the denominator is equal to 0, that means the function is not defined. Okay. Are known as discontinuous points. Okay.
So could you explain this continuous?
If you substitute x equal to B1, B2 or any of the BIs, what will happen? The denominator will become 0. Isn't it? See. Substitute f of B1. What will happen? It will be B1 minus A1 whole to the power M1, B1 minus A2 whole to the power M2. Isn't it? Dot 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 dot. Over here you will see B1 minus B1 whole to the power N1. Right. What is B1? That will be 0. 0. Denominator becomes 0. If the denominator becomes 0, function is not defined.
Okay.
Right. That particular polynomial will not be defined. So that is why they are known as discontinuous points. They are not there in the domain. Okay. Are discontinuous points and hence should be excluded. And hence should be excluded. Okay. For example, I'll give you another example. This is the third example. Everyone pay attention. If f of x is equal to x minus 1 whole cubed multiplied by x plus 2 whole to the power 4 multiplied by x minus 3 whole to the power 5 multiplied by x plus 6 divided by x square into x minus 7 whole square. Wait a minute, whole cubed. Okay, this is the expression given to us. Over here, can anyone tell me what are the critical points? Raise your hand. Yes, Som, tell me.
1,
Critical points are 1,
minus 2,
minus 2,
3, minus 6,
3 minus 6,
7,
7.
0.
Yes, 0 also. Right. See, x square means x minus 0 whole square. Okay, these are the critical points. Over here, what are simple points? Tell me. Simple points are 1, 3,
Minus 6.
minus 6,
7.
7. Correct. And what are the double points?
Minus 2.
Minus 2,
0.
0. These are the double points. Let us start plotting the wavy curve. Minus 6, minus 2, 0, 1, 3, and 7. Right, everyone? Okay. Let's start plotting. Take a value which is less than minus 6. Minus 7. Ridhiman, are you getting?
Yes.
Take a value which is just less than minus 6. Minus 7. Substitute minus 7 over here. This is positive or negative? This is negative, of course. Minus 7, minus 1. Minus 8 whole cube is negative. Negative. Positive. Negative. Oh, wait. Negative. This one is negative. So the numerator is negative or positive? There are 3 negatives. Negative. Okay, numerator is negative. Denominator, this one is negative or positive? Positive. This one is negative. So negative by negative. The whole thing is positive. Okay. Whose phone? Put it on silent. Okay. So it will come from the positive side, right? Positive. So it comes from the positive side. Hits minus 6. Minus 6 is simple or double? Simple, right?
Yeah.
Reaches minus 2. Minus 2 is simple or double?
Double.
Double. 0 is simple or double?
Double.
Double. 1 is simple or double?
Simple.
Simple. 3 is simple or double?
Simple.
Simple. 7 is simple or double?
Simple.
Simple part. So this is how the curve will look like. Yes, tell me.
Due to the whole positive, why did it will come to the it come from the positive side? Why?
Why I cannot
Just
means what do you want to say? What's your question actually? Tell me.
I don't know why this due to the whole becoming positive. This significance is that it will come from the positive side.
Means you are asking that why it is coming from the positive side.
Yes.
You take a value which is less than -6, any value. Okay, any value. I've just taken arbitrary -7. You can take -1000, minus tens of thousands, your choice. Okay, substitute over here. Okay, what are you getting? When you substitute over here, you are going to get -7 -1. This will be negative, right? This will be positive. This will be negative. This will be
Sorry.
negative. So the whole numerator is positive or negative? Negative. Denominator is negative. Negative. X square, X square, X square.
This is whole negative.
Whole thing is negative. Okay. So I've got negative by negative. Negative by negative is positive. So see, it will come from the positive side only, right? Tell me. Yes or no? Okay. So are you getting why it is coming from the positive side? You take any value. I have taken -8. You can take -3.798. Okay, -13.798. Your choice. Okay. Okay. Tell me. Has everyone understood how I have plotted the wavy curve? Tell me. So is it clear properly? Okay. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Okay, over here also let us solve the inequalities. Find x for which. Okay, question. Question. Find x for which f of x is number 1 greater than 0, number 2 less than 0, number 3 greater than or equal to 0, number 4 less than or equal to 0. Okay, everyone, I have to
Using
find
this one.
Yes, using this one. Okay, so 2 of them I'll solve, 2 of them you people will solve. Okay, Achha, which 2 should I solve? Tell me. First one and first and last one. Okay, 2 and 3 you people solve. Okay.
So can you show the function points?
Shanjay, you have any doubt till now? No. This we did it last year also, isn't it? From do you remember? Sandeep, you were not there, right? We joined a bit late. We did it last year in polynomials.
So which
I joined after heights and distances.
Yes, a bit later.
So which
Heights and distance though we completed. It's excluded in JEE Mathematics now. Huh.
So which one will resolve?
This one, I solved 1 and 4.
So why
One.
did it exclude?
Huh?
Why did it exclude?
We have to talk to NTA for that. Okay. Don't worry, I'll
Easy chapter.
Easy chapter.
No, it is.
I just
Yes, yes.
easy to understand what the problem is telling me.
Some questions. Okay, actually questions coming in WB joint from heights and distances were easy. Achha, but anyways, you people have to solve heights and distance because it can come in WB joint. Okay.
There are questions
From-
which are tough from my end.
Which one?
There are questions which are tough.
There are questions. There
So
are
like the mountain 3D figure one.
3D figure ones. Okay. There was another question I found it. Okay. That was also good. No. It was based on inclination at a particular level.
Yeah, wait, there was a question this year in, I think, West Bengal board, like class 12 or something. It was like, there was a cloud and then.
Oh, cloud. There is a
It's
reflection
moving.
of the cloud in the cloud is
That
moving.
was,
Yeah,
that was
I know.
20 meter was the answer. Like it was
Each man takes.
That came in our annuals. We
Okay.
had to suffer from it.
Okay. Next, okay, first one I'm solving, everyone pay attention. F of x is greater than 0. So can you people understand in this region, f of x is above the x-axis, right? So x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 6 union 1 comma 3 union 7 comma infinity. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt you can ask. X belongs to minus infinity comma minus 6 union 1 comma 3 union 7, infinity. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt? You can ask me. Next, part 4 also I'll solve. Okay. Pay attention. Part 4 is less than or equal to 0. Okay.
Sir, I have a question.
Wait. Before asking the question, I'll also include one more thing. Everyone pay attention. See, 0 and 7 are discontinuous points. Okay, so let us exclude them. 0 is excluded. 7 is also excluded. Okay. You have to exclude them in the beginning only. Okay, I didn't do it. Yes, Nadri, tell me.
What's the difference between the first bracket for infinity and the closed bracket for infinity?
Infinity will never be closed. Okay, because infinity is not a real number. You exclude infinity every time. Every time you have to exclude infinity and minus infinity. Okay, because infinity is just a concept, just to show you that it is going on and on and on till the end of.
Continuing.
Yes, it is continuing.
Sir, as
So infinity never include infinity.
but
Yes.
due to the value of 0 and 7, it will be undefined. Next way, we have to exclude it.
Yes, 0 and 7. 0 and 7 are discontinuous points, so I just circle them. Okay. Let us start. Okay, part 4. X belongs to. Okay, x belongs to minus 6, minus 2. Union minus 2, 0, open.
Shouldn't be first bracket, minus 1.
Minus 2 first bracket. Why?
What's the level?
I'm doing 4. Okay. Minus 2, 0, closed open. Right. I'm doing 4. Okay, everyone pay attention. Union. Open 0 to 1 closed. Union. Close 3 to open 7. Tell me. Did you people understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
If you have any doubt, you ask me. I'll explain. Samridhi is clear? You have any doubt in any particular part? Tell me. Okay. Can we merge any of the intervals?
Minus 6 and 0.
Minus 6 to 1. We can totally merge. We'll just exclude 0. X belongs to minus 6 to 1 closed. Union 3, 7. Closed open. Excluding elemental 0. Tell me. If there's anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Can anyone tell me how many integers are there in this interval? Raise your hand. How many integers are there in this interval?
Count.
Huh?
Count.
Count.
It's question 4.
How many integers? Raise your hand. Don't speak up in between.
Sir,
Sir, you have to count.
Huh? Count. Yes. Yes. Snehal, tell me.
is it 6?
Yes. Som, tell me.
0.
Oh, I'm sorry.
9. Sir, 11.
11 is correct. Okay. Count properly. It is minus 6 to 1. So
Okay.
over the minus 6 to 1, there are 7 integers. Okay.
3, 2, 7, 4.
1 minus of minus 6 plus 1. So it should be 8. But the problem is 0 is excluded. So I have excluded 0. So 7 integers. And from 7 to 3, it will be 7 minus 3 plus 1. Okay, that will give us 5. But again, 7 is excluded. So over there, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. Total 11 integers will be there.
So there is 3 to 7.
3 to 7 parts.
7 minus 3 will be
7 minus 3. So over here, number of integers will be 7 minus 3 plus 1. Right. Which is 5. Right. But 7 will be excluded. So total there will be 4 integers. 4 in this interval, 7 in this interval. 11. This kind of questions can be asked. Find the number of integral values for which f of x is less than or equal to 0.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, I will send you the frequency.
Part 2 and part 3. Okay, everyone, you
Yes.
people solve part 2 and part 3. Yes. Wait, I'm checking. Give me some time. Yes, Adrish, part 2 is correct.
Okay, sir.
Sir, could you check number 3?
Wait. Yes, Adrish, part 3 is also correct. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anish, you are making some mistake in part 2. No, this is Anish, yes. Anish, you are making some mistake in part 2. Part 3. And part 3 also there is a slight mistake. Yes, over here anyone? There's some mistake in part 2.
Yes, I understood.
Okay. I think part 3 is correct. I think you've done part 3 correct. Okay. Wait a minute. There's some mistake in part 3. And in fact, part 3. Is, I think part 3 is correct. No, there's some mistake. It's a small mistake in part 3. Yes. This part 2 is correct. Part 3. Part 3 is correct. Part 2 is correct. Part 3. Why did you write 6? Minus 6. Slight mistake in part 3. Okay. Sure. Wait. Part 2 is correct. Part 3 there is a mistake. Part 2 is correct. Part 3. Part 3 there is a slight mistake. Now I think it's correct. Part 2 is correct. Part 3 there is slight mistake.
So,
Part 2 is correct. But see, when you are merging the intervals, okay, you should have, when you are merging the intervals, there is one more element which you should have excluded. So there is exclude. Wait a minute, wait. And part 3 also there is slight mistake. Okay. When you are not merging the intervals, when you are merging the intervals, you should have excluded one more element. Part 2 is the answer. Right. Part 2. So what did you write? Box. No, that's not true. Part 3 is also not true. Some mistake. You didn't understand properly. Where it is up, whenever it is up, that means minus infinity comma minus 6. You see? Okay, include all of them.
Sir, could you?
Part 2 is correct. Part 3, yes, part 3 now I think it is correct. Now it's correct.
Sir,
Go
could
ahead,
you
Devi.
check my part 2?
Include descriptive response. Yes. But this slide. Yes. But why it is third? Whenever it is third, that means you are including 7. Right? Should we include 7?
Can you check my part 2?
Part 2. No, it is discontinuous. It's now it's 7. Yes. Okay, everyone, I'm writing the answer. Okay, pay attention. Part 2.
Sir, could you check my part 3?
Wait, I'm writing the answer. You see. Okay. The part 2, everyone, pay attention. In part 2, it is written x belongs to. Pay attention. It's given x. F of x is less than 0. Less than 0 means all these intervals. All these intervals. So it will be x belongs to minus 6 comma minus 2, union minus 2 comma 0, union 0 comma 1, union 3 comma 7. This will give us x belongs to minus 6 comma 1, union 3 comma 7. But see, while merging the intervals, I have included minus 2 and I have included 0 also. So exclude them. Is it clear to everyone? Next. We can write both, no problem. But see, sometimes the answer will be given in the second form. Okay, you have to identify it. Akash, is it clear? Part 3. For greater than or equal to 0, it will be x belongs to minus infinity comma 6 included, union 1 comma 3 included, union open 7 comma infinity. 7 should be excluded. Why? Because 7 is a discontinuous point. Okay, again, try to understand. We need to include all the critical points. Okay.
So my 3 is correct.
Three.
You told me that it's wrong.
Yes. Did you include minus 2?
3. It's not.
So you have written minus infinity minus 6.
Minus infinity comma, oh, 6 up. Minus 6, minus 6. Yes, tell me.
You told me that my 3 is
Incorrect.
incorrect.
You wrote this answer only.
Yes.
Wait, my answer is not complete yet. Okay, wait, let me complete. Okay, so basically you see, for x equal to minus 2 also f of x is equal to 0, isn't it? Minus 2 is also a critical point. So let us include minus 2. So including elemental minus 2. Okay, is it clear, Samridhi? Okay, because for x equal to minus 2 also f of x is equal to 0. We need to find out all such x for which f of x is greater than or equal to 0. Tell me, is it clear to everyone? Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Yes. Okay, Akash, have you understood?
Yes.
Tell me. Okay, so I think we can do some problems. Okay, you people now draw the wavy curve. Okay.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, how do you get the critical points?
By substituting that expression equal to 0. Like for example, you see, over here, I've got x plus 2. See, x plus 2 is one of the factor. You put x plus 2 equal to 0. What are you getting here? What is the value of x? Tell me, Ridhaman.
Value of x.
Minus 2. So minus 2 is a critical point.
Oh, like that.
Is it clear? Tell me.
Yes.
Just substitute the factor is equal to 0. You'll get the critical point. Everyone, let us start. Okay, Adrish and Anish, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, these are questions 2, 3, and 4. Solve. Once you have done it, raise your hands. I'll come and check. Solve. Yes, anyone who has done number 2, tell me. I think it is correct. Yes, number 2 is correct.
Sir.
I think it is correct. Wait. Correct.
Sir, could you check number 2?
So first one I said,
So I'm checking Anish. Making some mistake. Small mistake. Yes, Adrish. Adrish,
yes,
there's a no, Adrish, there's a slight mistake in number 2. Okay, small mistake.
okay,
And
sir.
Anish also, there's a slight mistake. See. Okay, let me start number 2. Okay, everyone? Pay attention. Copy. Okay, Samriddhi, is it done?
So I'm doing.
Hey. So, what happened? Draw the Wavy curve. Write down the critical points. Yeah, I think number 3 is also correct. Let's see.
Study the Wavy curve.
Oh. Sir, could you
Sir,
Yeah, I think you are making a mistake with the wavy curve. Wait. Wait, just give me one. You are making a mistake with the wavy curve. How are you getting this wavy curve? You see positive, negative. Okay, you are making a mistake with whether it is coming from positive, negative or not. You are making some mistake. You see,
sir,
why are you including minus 4 and 4? They are the discontinuous points. Okay. Okay, let me start. First of all, I'm going to
Sir.
factor.
will 0 be included? 0 will be included, right?
Of course, we include it. Yes, Adrish or Anish, you people are saying something.
Sir, yes, sir. I am saying that after factorization, if I have a common term, I mean in the numerator and the denominator, can I cut them?
You can only cut them if it is not equal to 0, huh?
So is it
Yes,
something?
sir. Yes, sir. So I should not.
But instead of that, I tell you another workaround. Okay, you got this in number 2 or number 3?
Number 3, sir.
Number 3. Wait, I tell you what you have to do.
Okay,
Yes.
sir. Okay.
Is it like this?
Yes, but 0 is already included. Why are you including it again? Maybe minus 4 to 0
Oh,
is included, huh? It's already included. It's correct. Not correct. Correct. Okay, I'm going to solve number 2. Okay, see, Akash, Soham, Vidman, pay attention. Samriddhi also pay attention. See, you have to factorize it first of all. Did you people factorize? Yes or no? Tell me. After factorization, what did you get? Tell me, Samriddhi, what did you get in the after factorization?
X minus 6.
X minus 6? No.
Sir, if
How do you factorize?
if
Wait.
the discontinuous, I have a other question.
Tell me.
If the discontinuous points cannot be included, then how is 0 being included?
0 is a discontinuous point.
But if we put
0.
oh nothing.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Yes, tell me. Samriddhi, how did you get 6? By factorizing x square minus 5x plus 6. Tell me, how do you factorize? You must have done x square minus 6x plus x plus 6, right? You must have done this, isn't it? After taking x common, you are getting x minus 6 over here, isn't it? And after taking 1 common, will you get x minus 6 over here? Tell me,
Right.
what did you take common?
Kind of x minus means that minus 1.
You took minus 1 common. So if you take minus
X.
1 common, then it will become minus x minus 6. Right. So you understood where you have done the mistake. Okay. So pay attention. It should be minus 2 minus 3. So it will be x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 multiplied by. Next one will be x square. Acha, x square minus 8x plus 15. Tell me what is the factorization? X minus 3 into x minus 5. This you got? Okay, Akash?
Yes, sir.
Divided by x square minus 16 is x minus 4 into x plus 4. Done. Okay? This should be less than or equal to 0. Let us start. So this will give us how much? X minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 3 into x minus 5 divided by x minus 4 into x plus 4. Done. Must be less than or equal to 0. Okay, so in the numerator we will get x minus 2 into x minus 3 whole square into x minus 5 divided by x minus 4 into x plus 4. Done. This must be less than or equal to 0. So I've got the critical points, simple point, double points, everything I've got it. Okay. Let us plot directly. Minus 4, then 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Tell me, is it clear, Samriddhi?
So you don't have to write 0.
0 is a simple, 0 is a critical point. Tell me, where, in which factor do we have to put x equal to 0? No. If you substitute x minus 2 equal to 0, Ridhiman, we'll get x equal to 2. Isn't it? Tell me,
Yes.
Don't stay puzzled. If you put x minus 3 equal to 0, then x equal to 3. If you put x minus 5 is equal to 0, you'll get x equal to 5. If you put x minus 4 equal to 0, you'll get x equal to 4, then x equal to minus 4. Where are you getting x equal to 0?
Yes.
Is it clear? Okay, let us start. We substitute x equal to something less than minus 4. That is x equal to minus 5. Wait a minute, where is it? X equal to minus 5, okay. Substitute x equal to minus 5, we will land over here, right? Okay. Substitute minus 5 over here. Negative, positive, negative. Numerator is positive. Right, tell me. Negative, positive, negative. There are two negatives, right? Denominator, negative, negative, positive. So positive by positive, it is coming from the positive side. Is it clear? Samriddhi? Tell me, minus 4 is simple or double?
Simple.
Simple. So it will pass through it. 2 is simple or double?
Simple.
3 is simple or double?
Double.
Double. So it will bounce. 4 is simple or double?
Simple.
5 is simple or double?
Simple.
Simple. Done. This is how the wavy curve will look like. Next, exclude the discontinuous points. That is minus 4 and 4. Huh? Please?
Double.
So I have bounced back. Oh, you are asking. X minus 3 whole square, na? It's multiplied even number of times. This is how it is going to look like. Tell me. Is it clear, Som? Everyone understood? Okay. So what are we getting? Therefore, x belongs to minus 4 open. Okay, so x belongs to minus 4 open to 2 closed union 4 open to 5 closed. Oh, wait a minute, 4 open to 5 closed. Anything else we need to include? Tell me. So, what do you think? Should we include any other point for f of x less than or equal to 0?
The plus
Tell me.
please.
Plus 3 should be included, na?
Plus
3 is a critical point. It is equal to 0. Right, Samriddhi, are you getting? 3 should be included. Because for x equal to 3 also f of x equal to 0. Right, Ridhiman, are you getting? Ridhiman, Akash, is it clear? So including elemental 3. Done. Anyone having any doubt, you ask me. I'll explain.
So, in which
Go on, try it.
scenario will we be able to include the discontinuous points?
Never. Say discontinuous point. We can never include discontinuous point. Okay, it's not there in the domain.
So, discontinuous points and infinity we can never include.
Yes. Okay, so this one is okay. Rishabh, I'm checking yours. Slight mistake. Got it. Yes, this copy is this. This one is correct. It's yours? Yes, this is correct. Just give a minute. Yes. No, whose copy is this? Okay.
Question number 3, how are we solving the quadratic equation on the...
Which quadratic? X to the power 4 plus x
Sorry,
squared?
that's not quadratic.
Biquadratic.
Yeah.
Over there you have to think a little bit. What you have to... Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if we can reduce a term, can we do that?
Reduce the term as in? How? I mean,
Means if the term is present in both the numerator and denominator.
no, over there, like I'm telling you, over there what you have to do is, you take it as x minus 2 whole to the power 0. Okay, it is there in the numerator and the denominator as well. Consider it as x minus 2 whole to the power 0. Don't cancel it off.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, this is correct. So, yes, this is correct. Yes, anyone else? Tell me, number 3. Yes, anyone has solved number 3? Tell me. Somridhi, you want to show number 3? No. Doing. Okay. Take your time. It's done. You have
Can
done
you give me a hint for the time?
for the fourth one.
No, for the third one.
Third one. Third one you have to factorize. You know how to solve a how to factorize a cubic. Factorize it. Try it out. I mean, tell me a good value of x for which the numerator is equal to 0. Hit and try.
0?
X equal to 0, it will be 0. Are you sure?
It will be minus.
Just give ICSC. Remainder and factor theorem. Use remainder and factor theorem. Yashande. Oh, you don't want to remember. Traumatized.
You do x minus 1, x minus 5, x minus 1. I'm tired.
But wait for my test. We'll see.
Oh, okay.
Hey, I've sent you number 3.
Sir,
Anish, there is a slight mistake. Pay attention, it is less than 0, Anish. Yes. Number 2 again.
Okay.
Number 2 is, or number 3 is correct.
Yeah, I also sent it.
Checking. No, Adrish, check your answer again. Okay, moving on with number 3. Okay, everyone pay attention. I'm going to solve.
Can you wait a little bit more?
Okay. Quickly solve. Number 3
Okay, I
solve.
got the
Can cancel the x minus 6.
X minus 6, where are you getting x minus 6? Cannot understand. You're not factorizing properly. How did you get x minus? The factorization is also only not correct in the numerator. X square minus 5x plus 6. Minus 6x plus 5. What have you done? Wait a minute. What have you done? Achha, you've done 5x and 6x. Okay. Where?
6.
6x. Okay, and over here 5x. Don't you think 5x into x will become 5x square? You know remainder and factor theorem?
Yes.
Tell me.
No, this. I did with the rest.
Sure. I don't think so. You're getting.
Wait, I got the value for the top, but
So
what
it's
do I
not
do with it now?
This is 6x. Here, x minus 1 plus 6.
Wait a minute. Wait. 6 into x minus 1. Wait. I'm checking. It's okay. Okay, fine. Okay, then you take x minus common. Okay, x minus 1. Taking x minus, you take x minus 1 common. Take x minus 1 common, you'll get x minus 1 into x minus 5. Then you take common, you'll get some expression in the middle. Take x minus 1 common, factorize this. Take x minus 1 common. Let's see what are you getting in the middle. But that's not correct. You got a quadratic in between. You'll get a quadratic in between. Try to understand. Yes, done.
I got the value for the top, so should I just write it as x plus whatever the value I got?
Factorize it.
I got the value of x.
How many values are you got?
There is only one.
Why will there be? It's a cubic.
But I followed the factor and remainder here.
There's only. So it's a cubic. How many values it should have? Tell me.
It's there on the middle.
Where? Over there.
Oh, okay.
What did you do to it?
By the publisher.
Why the publisher? Okay.
It's in the middle of the page. So I think it's over here.
Oh, over here. So now check that one.
6x.
Acha, wait. Let me solve.
Wait, I've already forgotten all of ICs.
Snadri, you gave the paper properly, right?
Yes, I promise.
Okay. I see the results. When is it out? I see results.
A bit later than CBSC. They said the last week.
Wait,
of
I'll write a
April.
petition to release it soon.
No, it's fine.
No.
Wait, you were in ICC? ICC physics was really tough, but math was okay.
Number 2. Okay, everyone pay attention. X cube minus 6x square. Got it? What did you get? Factorization, tell me.
I did something wrong there. It will be like this.
I guess now you are
X
doing
minus
correct.
1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3.
Yes, now you are doing it correct. Wait, okay. Huh? So you'll get x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Okay, everyone pay attention. You substitute. So, you know remainder and factor theorem. Tell me.
Yes.
Ridwan. So first of all, we use hit and trial method to find out one of the root of this equation, right? You put x equal. Oh, that means you don't know. Achha. What you do is you put x equal to 1. For x equal to 1, you will get this expression is factorized. For x equal to 1, this expression will give us 0, right? You see, 1 cube minus 6x, 6 into 1 square plus 11 into 1 minus 6, right? This will be equal to 0, isn't it? You were there in CBSE or ICSE?
Yes.
CBSE. In CBSE, it is not there. It's there, right? Remember?
It is this.
So you forgot it. Yes, in polynomial. Yes, zeros of a polynomial.
This one? Yes.
Now it is correct. So I've got x minus 1. How are you getting x minus 2 whole square in the denominator? Check it properly.
Minus 10x plus.
So are you getting a 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 11 into 1 minus 6? You must have done it, right? Can you recall? No.
Not completely.
Not completely. Bang your head on the wall, start factory reset, you'll be able to recall my. How can you forget? See, this was there in CBSE. Achha, it is equal to 0. Pay attention. So once you get for x equal to 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, can I say that x minus 1 is a factor of x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6? Tell me, yes or no? You must have done this.
Yes, sir.
If x equal to alpha is a 0 of this polynomial, that x minus alpha is a factor of this expression.
Yes.
Okay. After that, we used to divide. Do you remember? We used to do this division. X cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. We used to do this division, long division method. Okay. You know this division, right?
Yes.
Remember, okay, x times x square will give us x cube minus x square. So when you subtract, these two gets cancelled, you are going to get 5x minus 5x square plus 11x. After this minus 5x, you will get minus 5x square. Okay, minus minus plus 5x. Okay, so subtract, these two gets cancelled, you are going to get 6x minus 6 x times, then this will give us 6, so 6x minus 6 will be equal to 0. These two gets cancelled. So finally you are going to get in the numerator it will be x minus 1 into x square minus 5x plus 6. Tell me, is it clear, Ridhiman? Yes or no?
Yes.
And in the denominator, what will you get? In the denominator, what do we have? X plus 2 into x square minus 8x plus 12. That will give us x minus 6 into x minus 2. So we have got x plus 2 into x minus 6 into x minus 2. Okay. And in the numerator, again, we can factorize x square minus 5x plus 6. This will give us x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3.
So can't we just cancel x minus 2?
Don't cancel it out.
Why?
Because you won't be able to understand the nature of the graph. Okay, means what will happen at x equal to 2? X equal to 2 is a discontinuous point. It will go very close to x equal to 2, but it will never touch. It will bounce back. Are you getting? 2 will be a discontinuous point.
So can we cut out x minus 2 and then while writing the domain of x we minus the 0 if it is including the region?
You can do it, but how will you understand that it is bouncing back or it is going up?
So
I think, Asha, you are just going, you can do it.
because in the numerator both there is x minus 2 if it is negative.
Okay.
Wait, yeah, I crossed that out.
X plus 2 into x minus 2 into x minus 6. Okay, everyone, pay attention. So further, you see x minus 2 is in the numerator, x minus 2 is in the denominator also. Okay, you write it like this. X minus 1 into x minus 2 whole to the power 0 multiplied by x minus 3 divided by x plus 2 into x minus 6. Tell me, is it clear? Som, is it clear? Yeah, Akash, let us draw. Ridwan, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt, you ask me again. Tell me.
Sir,
Now is it clear?
I copied it over x minus 2, that's why I got x minus 2.
So let's plot the points. Minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, let's plot the wavy curve. So take any value which is less than minus 2. 0 or no, minus 3.
Minus 3.
Substitute minus 3. This will be negative, positive, negative. Numerator is positive. Denominator is also positive. Positive by positive will give us positive. So the graph will come from the positive side. Minus 2 is simple or double? Minus 2 is simple or double? Simple.
Simple.
1 is simple or double?
Simple.
2 is simple or double?
Double.
Double.
Wait, how is 2 double?
So it's
X minus 2 whole to the power 0.
But I thought we crossed that out.
It's a even number.
You can cross it out, no problem. Okay, still it will go up to 3. Okay, like this, see. Okay,
Yeah, that's what I did.
okay. This is also okay.
So the graph will be different. Sir.
Graph.
Graphs will be different.
See, anyways, you are not including 2. Right? Anyways, you are not including 2. Still the graph is above. It's not a, doesn't matter. Okay, because we are only focusing on the signs. Okay. The 3 is simple or double?
Simple.
6 is simple or double? Simple. This is how it is going to look like. So x belongs to minus 2 comma 1 union 3 comma 6. This is our answer. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Understood? Okay.
So I wrote it a little differently. I did it belongs to minus 2 comma 6 and then I minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Elemental.
Yes.
So it was
But don't you think 1.5 should also be excluded? 1.75 should also be excluded. 1.2357 should also be excluded.
Why?
They are for 1.234. This inequality will hold
No.
or does not hold.
Doesn't-
So it should be excluded, no?
Yeah.
Are you getting? So basically the whole real number interval should be excluded.
Okay.
Wait, if you want to exclude it like this, what you can do is you can write it as minus 2 to 6 excluding open close to 1 comma 3. This is correct.
Okay.
Right, this is also another way of writing it.
So
Tell me.
the question was x is less than and equal to 0.
Less than or equal to or less than 0? Just let me check. Less than 0. See? Only less than 0. Samriddhi, is it clear? Okay, number 4, everyone solve quickly. Achha, let me solve number 4, okay? Number 4 I am solving. So we have got x square minus 4. Pay attention. Okay, this is number 4. Okay, let's start finding the critical points. Okay, in x square minus 3, okay, we can factorize it as and write it as x plus root 3 into x minus root 3. Next, over here, can you see it's written as x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. X to the power 4 is always greater than or equal to 0. X square is always greater than or equal to 0. Plus 1. So the whole expression is always greater than or equal to 1. Can you people understand? Yes or no? Is always greater than or equal to 1. Can you people understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Again, pay attention. X to the power 4 is always greater than or equal to 0. Can it ever be less than 0? Tell me. So, no. So the minimum value of x to the power 4 is 0 only. Right? X square is always greater than or equal to 0. Right? So when you add, you'll get x to the power 4 plus x square is always greater than or equal to 0. When you add 1, you are going to get x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Right or not? Tell me.
Only greater than 0.
Yes, sir.
Greater than or equal to 1. Sorry. Greater than or equal to 1. Okay. So can it ever be equal to 0? Tell me. It's always greater than or equal to 1. Can it ever be equal to 0? No. So over here will we get any critical point? So eliminate it. It's not required anymore. Okay. Next. Moving on to 2 to the power x minus 1. Huh? Yes, it doesn't have a critical point. So it doesn't matter. It's a positive quantity. Every time it is positive. Are you getting Ridhiman?
Yes.
It's always positive. It's not required. You can divide by x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1 on both sides. Next, 2 to the power x minus 1. Yes, Anish, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. I want to say that x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1, if we factorize that, is coming imaginary root. So we can also explain in this way that since it is imaginary roots, we cannot represent them in the number line. Like
Yes.
this we can explain.
Yes. Okay. Next, 2 to the power x minus 1. Tell me, what is the root of this expression? For what value of x 2 to the power x minus 1 equal to 0? Tell me.
0.
1.
X equal to 0. 0, right. 2 to the power 0 minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 to the power x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 1 whole to the power 7 into x plus 5 whole square. Must be greater than or equal to 0. So I've got all the zeros. Okay, let's plot.
So that whole equation just became 1.
Which one?
X to the power 4 plus
No. I eliminated it. It's not required.
Okay.
It doesn't have a critical point. Okay. Next, let us plot. So we'll get minus root 3. Acha, tell me. I have got the critical points as minus root 3, minus 1 by 3, root 3, minus 5 and 0. So minus 5 will be over here. Now which one is greater? Minus root 3 is greater or minus 1 by 3 is greater?
Minus 1 by root 3.
Minus 1 by root 3. You mixed it up. Okay. Tell me which one is greater? Minus 1 by 3 is
Minus
greater?
1 by 3.
Then we have 0 and root 3. So these are the critical points. Now we'll plot the wavy curve. So take any value which is less than minus 5.
minus 6.
Minus 6, substitute over here. This is negative. Negative. Numerator is negative. Right? Tell me everyone. Denominator, this is negative. This is positive. So denominator is negative. Right? Negative by negative, positive. So the whole expression will come from the positive side. Tell me, minus 5 is simple or double?
Simple. Oh, sorry, double.
Minus 5 is double.
Yes.
Minus root 3 is simple or double?
Simple.
Minus 1 by 3 is simple or double?
Simple.
Simple. 0 simple or double? Simple. Root 3? Simple. This is how it is going to look like.
So instead of starting from the far left, we can start from root far right.
Yes, whichever you
It will
want.
always be positive, so we can always.
Hi.
We have to check it whether that.
Yes, whichever you want to try. Okay, from left, from right, whatever you want to start. Yes, tell me.
Sir, doubt means, sir, why 0 is becoming simple?
Because over here, this this is an expression of only one multiplicity. Are you getting? Over here, you will get only one and only one value of x. Are you getting?
It is.
Okay. 2 to the power x minus 1. Also, you see, 2 to the power x is an exponential function. Okay, and it is always increasing. It will never come down. To cut the x-axis again once. Are you getting?
Okay.
In the later part of this chapter, I'll explain that the graph of the exponential function will look somewhat like this. Okay, this is the graph of e to the power x. So graph of e to the power x minus 1 will be somewhat like this. Wait, x equal to 0. Yes, will be somewhat like this. So see, this graph will never go down again to cut the x-axis once again. So that's why it will always give us a simple point. Okay, in the later part of the classes, you will understand.
Wait, so where are we getting the 0?
0. You substitute 2 to the power x minus 1 equal to 0.
Oh.
Right. What will you get?
Oh, okay.
Is it clear? X equal to 0 will satisfy. So let us start substituting, everyone. Okay. We need the values of x for which f of x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Let us start. So x belongs to minus infinity comma minus. Acha, we'll need to exclude the discontinuous points. That is minus 1 by 3 and
Minus 5.
minus 5 will be excluded. So we can directly write minus infinity comma minus root 3 closed. We'll exclude minus 5 later. Okay. Union open minus 1 by 3 to 0 closed. Union root 3 close to infinity.
So then can we exclude minus 5?
Yes, that's what I said. We'll have to exclude minus 5. This will be like final result. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask.
So why did we exclude minus 1 by?
Minus 1 by 3. It's a discontinuous point.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Is it clear? So, okay. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Okay. Can anyone remind me? Send me a text. Okay, I'll send a PDF over there. You will find a lot of questions on Wavy Curve. Okay. There is another PDF. I'll send you. Okay. For practice. Okay. So that's all from Wavy Curve. Okay. Our next topic is congruences and its properties. Congruences and its properties. This is another part of number theory. Okay, everyone, pay attention. If a comma b belongs to integers, okay, everyone, and n belongs to positive integers. If a comma b belongs to integers and n belongs to positive integers, then we can say a is congruent to, and we can say a is congruent to b modulo n. To b modulo n, if and only if n divides a minus b. Whenever you can see that a number n, positive integer n, divides the difference of two numbers, we can always write n divides a minus b. Okay, everyone? I'll give some example denoted by denoted by A is congruent to B mod n. Like this we denote. Okay, yes, tell me. First line. A and B are integers. N is any positive integer. Okay. Then
Z is a set.
Huh?
Z is a
What?
Z. What is Z?
Z is a set of integers. Z plus is a set of positive integers. Right. We have done this in the beginning. Class 10 also in the beginning also this chapter we did. Yes, tell me. N. N is any positive integer. Any positive integer means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Z plus means positive integers. That we have done it in the beginning, right? Yes, first class.
Explain after the comma.
After the comma. Then we can say A is congruent to B modulo n. If and huh?
What is modulo?
Mod n, there are actually different modulo classes of a positive integer n. We have done this in set theory. Pay attention.
What's the significance of this?
You will understand. Wait for some time. It has just started. Okay. You will understand how this is helpful in JEE. Okay, you will understand. Right, last year we did some JEE problems also based on congruent modulo. Right, do you remember? Shandev and so on. We have done this. Okay. But anyways, I'm going to do it. You will understand how we can solve some of the JEE problems, some of the binomial theorem problems within 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, not more than that. Okay, I'm telling you. Where is it? We did something like A3K, A3K plus 1, A3K plus 2, right? Where is it?
So the last
We did A3K, A3K plus 1, A3K plus 2. Where is it?
Well, any number say when divided by 3.
N divided by 3.
After that we
Yes, we did it.
it's like notation of the factorial. Like,
After division, yes. Okay. Now see A3K, A3K plus 1, A3K plus 2, these are different modulo classes of 3. Okay, different modulo classes means remainder classes of 3. If I tell you 0 mod 3 means those numbers which are divisible by 3. If I tell you 1 mod 3 means remainder is 1 when divided by 3. If I tell you 2 mod 3 means remainder is 2 when divided by 3. Are you getting? So these are different modulo classes of 3. Okay. 2 mod 3 is 3K plus 2. A3K plus 2. Okay. Wait. Coming back to this one, A is congruent to B modulo n. Okay. So I'll give some examples. Okay. First of all, since this is a new topic, let us talk about some examples. Okay. You people also visualize it. It will be better. For example, can I say 19 is congruent to 13 mod 3? Tell me. Can I say this? Is 19 minus 13 divisible by 3? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Wait, I didn't get it.
Huh? Is 19 minus 13 divisible by 3?
Yeah.
So we can say 19 is congruent to 13 mod 3. Okay. Next. So can I say 13 is congruent to 19 mod 3? Is 13 minus 19 divisible by 3? Yes. So 13 is also congruent to 19 mod 3. Next.
Sir.
So you people also take some examples. Tell me, anyone give me an example, raise your hand. Yes, Adrish, tell me, you are saying something.
Yes, sir. Can you explain again this?
Yes.
Which divides which?
As long as n divides the difference of two numbers, we can always say A is congruent to B mod n. Okay. As long as n divides A minus B, difference of two numbers, we can always say A is congruent to B mod n.
So like 29 is congruent to 7 mod 11.
29 is congruent to 7 mod 11, absolutely correct. Yes, 7
5
mod.
is congruent to 1 mod
Wait. 5 is congruent to
2. 1 mod 2.
1 mod 2, and so on. What did you say? 4 is congruent to 2 mod 2.
No, 6 is congruent to 4 mod 2.
6 is congruent to 4 mod 2. Correct? Right. Anyone take another example? Take some of the examples with negative integers also. Think.
Minus 6.
Minus, again stuck with 6. Take some good examples. Some
Minus
you.
27
Minus 27.
is congruent to 9 mod 3.
9 mod 3. Okay. No problem. Yes. Anything else? Think about it. The more you think about examples, the more this topic will be clear to you.
Minus
Hack
30.
for understanding this exam.
Huh?
Hack for like
Minus 31 is congruent to minus 1 mod 9.
Mod 9. Correct? Absolutely correct. Okay. Anything else? Anyone else want to give an example? Swam, tell me another example.
Minus 14 congruent to minus 89 mod 2.
Congruent to minus 89 mod 2. No.
5.
5. 5 is okay.
Minus 32 is congruent to minus 2 mod root 3.
Minus 2 mod 3.
Root 3.
Root 3. Actually, n should be a positive integer, not an irrational number. See the definition. N is a positive integer.
So can I say 1 by 3?
1
Oh wait,
by
that's multiplying.
1 by 3 is not. This we can say mod 3, isn't it?
Yeah, but I was trying to think of like something.
Fractions.
Yeah.
But fractions are not possible. No? N belongs to positive integers. We are talking only about positive integers.
Mod 15 is also possible.
Yes, tell me, Adrish.
So in this one, mod 15 is also possible.
Mod 15 is also possible. Yes, already you want to say some example? Think about any of the examples. Tell me.
Minus 4 congruent to 2 mod 2.
Okay. Minus 4 congruent to 2 mod.
0 is congruent to 0 mod 1.
0 is congruent to 0 mod 1. Correct. Okay. So you people understood? As long as the difference of two numbers is divisible by n, we can say A is congruent to B mod n. Okay. Next, everyone. If A
Wait,
is congruent.
0 minus 0 is divisible by 1.
Yes.
It will become
Think.
It will be 0.
it will be 0.
0 by 1 is. If A is congruent to B mod n and C is congruent to D mod n, then number 1, you can add A plus C is congruent to B plus D mod n. You can multiply also. Okay. You can.
But why is mod n always on the side of B plus C?
Because we are adding like this, na? A plus C and B plus D.
Okay.
Left hand side is added on the left hand side, right hand side is. It's not an equation, it's a relation. Okay. We can subtract also. Okay, we can. We cannot divide.
Yeah.
Okay, but we cannot divide.
so why can't we do it?
I'll give you an example. 4 is congruent to 2 mod 2. 2 is also congruent to 2 mod 2. You divide, you are going to get 2 is congruent to 1 mod 2. So tell me, is 2 congruent to 1 mod 2? No. There are some specific cases when we can divide. That is not required. Okay, but if you are studying for Olympiads, then it's required. Okay. But for JEE, up to JEE, it will not come. Okay, for division. Okay. Next, number 4. If A is congruent to B mod n and K is a constant. If A is congruent to B mod n and K is a constant, then A is congruent to KB mod n, K plus A is congruent to K plus B mod n, okay, A minus K is congruent to B minus K mod n. Okay, next, this one is important. Very, very, very important. If K belongs to positive integers, then a to the power k is congruent to b to the power k mod n. You can raise the power by k. Okay, everyone. So I'll give you some example, everyone. Okay, what kind of questions will come? Okay, but before giving an example, okay, there is another thing you need to know. Okay, there is another thing you need to know. If A and B, if A and B leaves the same remainder, when divided by n, then also we can say A is congruent to B mod n. Okay, everyone. Like for example, you see over here. I didn't write it. Okay, over here you see. What is the remainder when 19 is divided by 3? 1. What is the remainder when 13 is divided by 3? 1. See, both the sides are giving us the same remainder.
Wait, I have a question. Can we write anything with mod 1?
Mod 1, yes, can write. But mod 1 is everything. Like every number is divisible by 0. Divisible by 1. Right? It will always give us 0 as the remainder. Okay. So generally mod 1 does not comes. Okay. 13, what is the remainder when it is divided by 3? 1. 19 when divided by 3? 1. 29 when divided by 11? 7. 7 when divided by 11? 7. 5 when divided by 2, what is the remainder? 1 when divided by 2, what is the remainder? 1. 6 when divided by 2, what is the remainder? 0. 0, right? 4 when divided by 2, what is the remainder? 0. Minus 27 when divided by 3, what is the remainder? 0. 9 when divided by 3, what is the remainder? 0. Are you people getting? Both the sides are giving us the same remainder when divided by n. Minus 37 when divided by 9, what is the remainder?
Minus 1.
No, not
Remainder should always be positive.
Oh, 1.
No.
8.
8 is correct. Okay, how it is coming 8? Pay attention. Minus 37? 9. Okay, so what should we multiply with 9 such that it is less than minus 37? Don't take greater than minus 37. Tell me. What should we multiply with 9? Minus 5, correct. You will get minus 45. So when you subtract, you are going to get 8. Okay, everyone. Minus 45 is less than minus 37. But minus 36 is greater than minus 37. Are you getting, everyone? Tell me. Minus 14 when divided by 5, what is the remainder? 6. How can the remainder be 6? 1. Minus 39 when divided by 5? 1. Minus 32 when divided by 3, what is the remainder? 1. Minus 2 when divided by 3, what is the remainder? 1. Okay. Tell me, you have a doubt? No, right? Okay. Okay. So you people can understand, right? Both the sides are giving us the same remainder when divided by n. Okay. So this is the logic we are going to use while solving the problems. Okay. So how the problems will come, everyone pay attention. For example, find the remainder. Find the remainder when 2 to the power 100 is divided by 3. Okay. Find the remainder when 2 to the power 100 is divided by 3. So everyone, you have to start with such a congruence such that you are getting either 1 or minus 1 on the right hand side. Why 1 or minus 1? Because it is easier to raise the power over 1 or minus 1. Tell me, what is 1 to the power 100? 1. Minus 1 to the power 100, that is also 1. It is easier to raise higher powers over 1. 1 or minus 1, isn't it? So that's why always start with such a congruence such that you are getting 1 or minus 1 on the right hand side. Remember. So I start with 2 is congruent to minus 1 mod 3. Right, tell me, everyone. 2 is congruent to minus 1 mod 3. Let us raise the power by 100. We'll get 2 to the power 100 is congruent to minus 1 whole to the power 100 mod 3. Okay, this will give us 2 to the power 100 is congruent to 1 mod 3. So what is the remainder, everyone? Therefore remainder is equal to 1. Done. 2 square. Yes, you can do it with 2 square. Okay. We'll give you another example. Okay, everyone.
Wait, how did we get the remainder as well?
So see, according to the rule, the left hand side will give us the same remainder as the right hand side, isn't it? We need to find out the remainder when 2 to the power 100 is divided by 3. That is the same as when 1 is divided by 3.
Oh.
Isn't it? Okay. Next, find the remainder. I'll give another example. Find the remainder when find the remainder when 2 to the power 100 is divided by 5. Again, see everyone. Over here, we'll start with 2 square. Can you people understand? You can start with, but if you take 2, 2 is congruent to, okay, we are not getting 1 or minus 1 on the right hand side. But with 2 square we'll get on the right hand side. Achha, make it 2 to the power 99. Okay, make it 2 to the power 99. Okay. So 2 square whole to the power, 2 square is congruent to minus 1 mod 5. Are people getting? Tell me everyone. Okay. Achha, now see, by what we should raise the power so that we'll get 99.
We should
99 by
248.
Huh?
99 by 2?
99 by 2, but we should always raise the power by integers, right?
So 48.
So we cannot raise the power by 49 by 2, 99 by 2. Instead of that, we'll raise the power by something so that we get close to 2 to the power 99. Okay, that's 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 49. Are you getting? We'll get close to 2 to the power 99. Okay, so 2 square whole to the power 49 will give us minus 1 whole to the power 49 mod 5. Tell me, are you people getting? We'll get close to 2 to the power 98. 2 to the power, just give me 1 minute. Let us complete. This will give us 2 to the power 98 is congruent to minus 1 mod 5. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? So are you getting? Yes or no?
I was asking that can we multiply 99 by 2?
No, we have to always raise the power by integers. Na? K is an integer. See, over here it is written K belongs to positive integers. So see, I have got 2 to the power 98. How many more 2's are required? 1, 2. So we'll multiply by 2 on both sides. What do we get? 2 to the power 98 multiplied by 2 is congruent to minus 1 into 2 mod 5. Adrish and Anish, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Achha, now see, the left hand side will give us the same remainder as the right hand side, isn't it? So tell me, what is the remainder when minus 2 is divided by 5? Quickly tell me.
3.
3. Remainder is 3. Is it clear? Okay. So has everyone understood the logic? How to find out the remainder quickly with congruent modulo? Okay. What? Oh, actually implies that. Okay, one last problem, everyone. Okay, question number 5. What is it?
Yes, yes.
5.
No, 5.
Find the remainder when. One last problem, everyone. Find the remainder when 3 to the power 22 is divided by 5. Quickly solve. Once you have done it, it is done.
So I saw these questions in Olympiad book.
Which one?
Like past years, previous years of Olympiad exam.
Solve. You have to think like this. 3 to the power something is congruent to 1 or minus 1 on the right hand side. Okay. Because if you get apart from 1 or minus 1, it is difficult to raise the power. Correct. Correct. But can the remainder ever be negative?
No, this is not.
The remainder has to be positive, huh?
This is not even that. I did.
Find out the remainder. I'm asking you the remainder.
Sir, I got.
Don't speak up.
Sir.
Correct.
Sir, I have sent you.
Checking. Akash, Idiman, Samriddhi, everyone solve. Yes, Anish, your answer is don't speak up. Once you've done it, don't help others, don't do charity work. Okay, Anish, your answer is correct. Don't do some charity work. During exam, I'll make you sit in separate room. Okay. And after completing the exam, we'll start announcing the answers.
So, are the similar kind of sums in binomial?
Yes, this is relevant to binomial. With binomial, this sum will take you at least 2.5 minutes. I'm telling you. Try it out.
It's easy.
No, which one?
This
one is.
Yeah.
Binomial will take you longer time.
We can do the binomial sums with this one. We don't need that one.
Yes.
I have also saying that.
Okay. Okay. Adrish, 3 cube is 27. Is 27 congruent to 1 mod 5? Tell me. You are making a mistake.
Okay, sorry, sir. I thought with T square. I have written that wrong.
Okay, try it again. Yes, everyone still left. So everyone should be able to get it. Yes, already is it done? So, what have you done? Let me see. So, you are doing it correctly. When you are raising the power like this, you have to raise the power on the right hand side also, right? You need to raise the power on the right hand side by the same power. How much are you getting on the right hand side? Tell me. Done. Correct. How much are you getting on the right hand side? Show you one second. Yeah, 1011 is odd or even? So minus 1 to the power odd is odd.
Sir.
Minus 1. The remainder cannot be greater than 5. So both the sides will give us the same remainder when divided by 5. So find out the remainder when 9 is divided by 5. Okay, so everyone see. I'll start with 3 square everyone. Is congruent to minus 1 mod 5. You have to raise the power by 1011, isn't it? This will be congruent to minus 1 whole power 1011 mod 5. Minus 1 to the power 1011 is minus 1 mod 5. Now tell me everyone, both the sides will give us the same remainder when divided by 5. You just add 5 on the right hand side. You will get the remainder as minus 1 plus 5, which will give us 4. Is it clear? Tell me. So how much time it took us? Hardly 10-15 seconds, right? This sum came in JEE Mains. Yes. 2022. See.
We can do it in like fractions.
Yes.
Oh, is that why the power?
Okay, you can understand. Okay, there are some more sums like this. Okay, every year in at least one session you will get a sum like this. At least in one session, two session. This year also you will find questions like this.
So should we practice with 2028?
Practice with. Oh, okay, nice. Okay, so I think everyone we can keep it till now. Next class will again continue. Thank you everyone. Wednesday again we'll continue. Okay. Thank you Adrish and Anish.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Wednesday evening. Okay, we have a class. Okay, thank you everyone.
Sometimes